Simon Sakala is a Mashingo-based artist, musician, anoimba versatile genre, vanwaiti world, but I don't want to limit myself to a genre. Ndangoti ngokwanisa kuimba zvinenge zvangoya panguva iyoyo, as long as it's inspired and it's inspiring someone. So Emmanuel Sakala angori artist from Mashingo, a family man, who has some words to say, has some sentiments to pass on, if you guys are willing to listen. Tidzike Gomo, which is the title track of the EP. The song it's actually inspired by a real life event. What actually happened was tataenda kunorova video shoot yomwe one of my friends kugomo kuma outskirts. He was releasing his song and he wanted a video, so tatiri ma extras pa video iyoyo. So takanoshuta kwakuda kunodoka. So I had a friend of mine tatatakura ma instruments chikwidza gomo. And vamwe vavatotungamira vava kumusoro vachitoenda isiti asara tiri tu nechepasi chitira kumashure. But then as I was walking up, I realized my friend was not alright, because I just had someone achifemera pamusoro-soro ndoti confess chii chiri kunetsa. And then he says, I cannot carry on, bro. What's happening? And he says, I can't carry on. So I was confused. It seemed very simple, but this dude was already sweating. I didn't realize it was actually a problem, because for me it seemed as if it was just a simple thing. But then he explained to me that it was getting dark and he's actually afraid of heights. Dude. So that's when I actually asked that guy, guitar and then I walk with him up. We did the video shoot, it was beautiful, we're done. But now when we're coming down, even I now couldn't see. But the other guys, again, like the first time, as we were going down, since I struggle, and I was on my own. He was on his own, the other guy was on his own. So as I was going down, we are asara. Now he's literally crawling on the ground. Dude, is it that bad? As if my situation was better. So that's when I said, alright, fine. But I'll go wrong. Tidzike tose. And funny enough, as we're going down, I think we spent some extra 5 minutes or so. Guys, what's taking you so long? So we just didn't really respond. We just said, let's go. So slowly we went down until Tashka, and nobody knew what was happening. Everybody thought everything was okay. So it was when I was going through this whole situation, it made me a little bit emotional. I actually shed a little bit of a tear, realizing that this was actually a problem, and not only his problem but also my problem. Then I actually related. But people at times, they can judge a situation. They can be shouting at you very passy, what's happening to you, look, everybody else has done it, what. They don't know the situation that you're actually in. And they just say stuff. And if you take it personally, you can actually be stuck there, and you can get very emotional, and you can be broken with power. So I just thought maybe if I translate this story in a song, there's actually a chance that someone can relate, because the idea is for you people to create your own experiences and relate, and actually realize that as long as you have someone to help you through something, especially someone who relates to the situation that you are in, it's easier for you to go through a process. So Tidzike Gomo is a song out there to just inspire people that life is easier when you have a friend, and don't listen to what people say, is what they always say. But then it's not really important to listen to what they say. So that's how I got right Tidzike Gomo. It's quite a long story, and I just thought maybe that song could inspire someone. And I just thought even the whole EP deserves to have the same name, because we're actually trying to move from a certain level of thinking to a different level of thinking, which actually makes sense. Tidzike gomo, level. That's how we wrote the song. Yes, we are working on a lot of songs right now. I have been actually ipiratabudisa in a single called Can I Be Yours. Ndakaita na TJ Music, who is a very good producer, is an awesome producer based in South Africa right now. But when he did these songs, it actually to come through to Zimbabwe. Tidzike is very good, and we're working on some stuff. I had some collaborations with producers like Manasa, like Luda and Jetro. We are working on a couple of things, and I want to give everything that I have to people. I think it's high time I just give out what I have.
I needed some faith, and somebody to hold me up. Patience is a virtue inherent in holiness. Seek ye the key, then you'll find strength.
Yeah, kuti ndinzwike kuti music iende kuvanhu. I think what's important mhuri yeMasvingo neZimbabwe is for you guys to support through sharing this music, especially directing people to my YouTube page, because I want to believe kuti tikaita audience ku YouTube, it's very easy for us to spread music panobuda nyowa nedzimwe dzacho. So ndinokumbira musubscribe, comment, even share kuma social media platforms enyu, Instagram, Facebook and all the other. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram as well, and my handles are Sakala ZW. Once you do that, once people realize that people are gravitating to a certain type of music, they will become anxious and demand up one or teach the music. That's the promotion you can do for me. Of course, financial promotion can be required, but then I think first step, quit hyper music. Let the world know, let the world listen. And my radio stations, if you have a friend or a family member who knows our radio station and you think music is very worthy for his radio station, just give them a link, push them to play. You can even request from my shows, request out to play a song, yo. And that way, that's the best support you can give me, guys. I think like I said before, follow me on Instagram, Sakala ZW, on Twitter the same handle, as well as Facebook, which is Emmanuel Simon Sakala. Also check me out on YouTube, Emmanuel Simon Sakala Official, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Alright, I just want to thank my wife for supporting the video production. She was the one behind the scenes, setting up and chidokori chemoyo wangu, the balm that keeps the gears of my heart turning, the essence that connects my mind to my soul. My mental health is held by you.